Procedures for mechanical calibration test of dissolution apparatus. Reference guidelines for mechanical validation of drug dissolution apparatus. Pre-verification inspection and preparation. Confirm dissolution vessel. The vessel body is smooth and defect-free. Confirm basket. The basket has no rust or deformation. There was no mesh blockage, no network cable extension, and no mesh openings, etc. Confirm that the pedal shaft and basket shaft are rust-free. The pedal surface coating is smooth with no peeling. Use measuring tools that meet measurement requirements. Log into the measurement tools interface. Create a new test project. Input the instrument to be tested. Information related to measurement instruments. Prepare to begin mechanical verification. Dissolution tester leveling. On the horizontal panel of the dissolution vessel placed from two vertical directions, measure the level of the dissolution apparatus. Verticality of the basket, pedal, shaft. Close to the basket shaft or pedal shaft, measure its verticality, then rotate 90 degrees along the axis. Measure the verticality data again. Record twice separately. Verticality test results. Vessel verticality. Measure verticality along the inner wall of the dissolution vessel, then rotate 90 degrees along the inner wall. Measure again. Record the test results twice separately. Shaft centering. When a basket axis is needed. During centering testing, first, separate the upper part of the basket shaft near the upper edge of the dissolution vessel, and the lower part of the basket shaft near the position above the basket shaft. Install a centering meter. Lower the basket axis into the dissolution vessel. Start the basket axis rotation. The instrument will rotate during the process. Continuous measurement of the basket shaft end. Changes in the distance between the inner walls of the dissolution vessel, and automatically calculate the measurement data. The difference between the maximum and minimum values when a pedal shaft is needed. During centering testing, first, separate the upper part of the pedal shaft near the upper edge of the dissolution vessel, and the lower part of the pedal shaft near the position above the blades. Install a centering meter. Lower the pedal shaft into the dissolution vessel. Start the pedal shaft rotation. The instrument will rotate during the process. Continuous measurement of the pedal shaft end. Changes in the distance between the inner walls of the dissolution vessel, and automatically calculate the measurement data. The difference between the maximum and minimum values. Basket, pedal, shaft wobble. Install wobble meter. The basket shaft rotates at 50 rpm, about 20 mm above the basket, measuring the wobble of the basket shaft. Continuous data collection for 15 seconds. The instrument will automatically calculate the difference between the maximum and minimum values during the pedal shaft wobble test. The pedal shaft rotates at 50 rpm, about 20 mm above the blades, measuring the wobble of the pedal shaft. Continuous data collection for 15 seconds. The instrument will automatically calculate the difference between the maximum and minimum values. Basket wobble. Using a wobble meter to measure basket wobble at the lower edge of the basket. The basket shaft rotates at 50 rpm and measure continuously for 15 seconds. The instrument will automatically calculate the difference between the maximum and minimum values. Basket, pedal, depth. On the pedal shaft and the basket shaft respectively, install depth gauge. Lower the steering element to its working position. The depth meter will automatically measure bottom edge of the mixing element, distance from the bottom of the dissolution cup. Basket, pedal, rotational speed. Install the tachometer and wireless transmission module. Set the speed to 50 rpm and 100 rpm. Start rotating and continuously collect 60-second speed data. The instrument will automatically record the speed, maximum, minimum, and average values. Temperature inside the dissolution vessel. Add 900 milliliters of water to each dissolution vessel. After the temperature remains constant, use a temperature probe. Measure the water temperature in each dissolution vessel. Mechanical validation cycle. Dissolution apparatus after installation, movement, and maintenance. All should be mechanically verified, usually verified every 6 months. It can also be based on the instrument's usage. Make the necessary adjustments.